Hello, good evening. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks. And today we are going to talk about the Cherokee chief who says that it's time for automobile company Jeep to end the use of tribe's name. We have more details around this. Please continue to watch the video and also subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. It's time for Jeep to stop using the Cherokee Nation's name on its Cherokee and Grand Cherokee SUV, the chief of Oklahoma based tribe said. Chief Chuck Hoskin Jr. said in a statement first reported by Car and Driver magazine that he believes corporations and sports teams should stop using Native American names, images, and mascots as nicknames or on their products. I'm sure this comes from a place that is well intended, but it doesn't honor us by having our name plastered on the inside of the car, Hoskin said. Christine Starnes, a spokeswoman for Jeep's parent company Amsterdam based Stellantis, said in a statement that the vehicle name was carefully selected and nurtured over the years to honor and celebrate Native American people for their nobility, prowess, and pride. She did not say whether the company was considering renaming the vehicle and did not immediately reply to an email requesting that information. Hoskin says that the best way to honor the Oklahoma based tribe is to learn more about their history. The best way to honor us is to learn about our sovereign government, our role in this country, our history, culture, and language, and have meaningful dialogue with federally recognized tribes on cultural appropriateness, Hoskin said. The controversy comes amid a national reckoning over the use of Native American names and images, particularly in sports. After years of resistance and under pressure from corporate sponsors, the NFL's Washington, D.C. franchisee announced last year that it was dropping its Redskins nickname and Indian head logo and would go by the name of Washington Football Team until a permanent replacement was chosen. Major League Baseball Cleveland Indians also announced last year that it would change its name. So that's all we have in today's news. Please continue to watch this space and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching me. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.